Today I will be glazing some planters and then a berry bowl. I think I prepared 4 planters and then 1 berry bowl for this combination. I did an experiment on my last glazing and then it turned out beautiful. So now I am going to do more of them. So it's this gonna be this combo. So this is a planter and then just a single glaze on the inside. But for this combination right here, you probably seen a lot of that on my kiln opening video because that's one of my favorite that I do with my mugs. Now the only addition I am doing is the Celadon Bloom. So every time I do glazing on my planters, that is the time that I use the unwanted glazes that I have sitting around here in the studio. So these glazes, these are the glazes that I am going to use. I have Honey Flux, Textured Turquoise. I also have to use this ancient Jasper, Celadon Bloom from MAYCO, and then Sea Salt. I think I have 2 or 3 jars of this sitting here in the studio, so I decided to use them as the liner for my planters. Alright, let's get started. So 2 coats of Celadon Bloom has already been applied. Now I'm ready to do the Honey Flux that is from the rim and to the Celadon Bloom, overlapping probably just half an inch. So I'm going to apply 3 coats of the Honey Flux. think what I'm gonna do is, to save time, I am going to apply the liner on the inside while doing the honey flux too, so that they are going to dry all at the same time. Anyway, I'm just gonna do 2 coats of this sea salt on the inside of the planter. So while the honey flux going to dry, that is the first coat, the liner should also be drying. I am only using 2 coats of the MAYCO Sea Salt for the liner on the inside, and I'm going to do 3 coats of light flux on the outer part.